Hey, in this video I am talking about permission in Django REST framework. Previous video I show you any user can grab the all data by using get request in postman. Okay, so just click on the URL and this is the URL, and now open postman. Here you can send a get request to obtain all data. So just click the send request. Okay, here anybody can send request, but now I use the permission. Only authenticated user can send the request. So for this, just go to the official website of Django REST framework. Here scroll down and here is the REST framework settings for default permission classes. So just copy this and go to project settings, and here you can paste this. Now this is the default permission class, so just remove it. Okay, now here I just type from REST framework dot permission import is authenticated. Okay, this is the permission class is authenticated. So now I using this. Okay, now copy this and here paste this, and now copy this is authenticated, and now type dot and paste this. Okay, now remove this. So here I just use authenticated class. So now save it and now run the server, and now go to the postman and now send the request. Here you can see details authentication credential were not founded. Authentication credential were not provided. That means only authenticated user can use this Django REST framework for this website. Okay, so now this is the token. Okay, so this is the token we generated in the previous video, this token. Okay, so now using this token we grab the all data, we fetch the all data. Okay, so for this go to views. Here just import the token authentication from REST framework dot authentication. So just type from REST framework dot authentication and now import token authentication. Okay, now using this class, so just copy this. Okay, so here authentication class. What is the authentication class? This token authentication. Okay, because we will authenticate by using token, so you have to use this token authentication class. Now open the postman. Here go to headers. Okay, and choose the get request, and now what is your key? Key is authorization. Okay, this. Okay, authorization, and now type token and then space and then type the token. For this is the token. Okay, I just copy it and paste here the token space the token. Okay, this is the token value and this is the token. Now send the get request. You can grab the all data. Okay, so by using token you can fetch the all data. Okay, so now go to settings. Here just use ALLOW, allow any. Okay, I just allow any user for this REST framework. Okay, so now go to postman and here just untick authorization and send the get request. Now you can see, so you can fetch all of data without using token. Okay, so here just use allow any. Now go to views. Okay, so here I use a permission class for this view set, student view set. Okay, so just use permission class and I use the authenticated permission. So you have to import it from REST framework dot permission and import is authenticated permission. Okay, so now using is authenticated. Okay, so now save it. Okay, so for this particular view set I use the permission class is authenticated. In my settings I use allow any user permission, but for this view set, particular view set, I use is authenticated permission. Okay, so now go to postman and here just send a request with get method, and you can see here detail authentication credential were not provided because for this view set I use is authenticated permission. Okay, so if I remove this, then you can send the request because here the permission is allow any. Okay, so in this way you can set the permission classes. Okay, so by using token you fetch the all data. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in next video.